Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd. Check out this 2022 GT500 carbon fiber track pack car. Just acquired this from the original owner. It is a one-owner car. We sold it new. It has 3,000 miles on it. Grabber blue metallic with the painted black roof. Has a technology package as well. It's absolutely pristine. So when this car came in, I'm very particular about keeping all the plastic that was on the seats, the window sticker, and all that is still in the trunk from when he purchased it from us. He kept all of it. So basically, when it comes off the transport, there's just plastic protection on the seats. There's spring rubbers in the springs to keep the car from dropping down low on a transport and scraping the nose. So during the PDI or pre-delivery inspection, we pull the spring rubbers out so the car's the way it's intended to be driven. We kept the spring rubbers. He's got all those. The car cover, like I say, the owner's kit, window sticker. He did upgrade the oil separator to a JLT. The factory oil separator is in the trunk. And it's got a JLT cold air intake, and we've got the factory one of those as well. Check out that carbon fiber rear wing. Yeah, so we've got everything here in the trunk. Like I say, the original cold air intake. That's your Ford oil separator. Car covers in here. The rear spoiler wicker bill unopened in the box. And we put down below in the spare tire well is where we've got all the plastic that was on the seats. See if we can lift that up and show you. Hold that one-handed. So yeah, it's all down below there. Absolutely beautiful car. Windows are tinted, and I believe the windshield even has some tint on it. So actually 3,001.4 miles. Now we just acquired this earlier today. It has not been through our service inspection. We'll get a fresh oil change, and I'm sure it'll hit 3,002 miles. Our performance tech, the only one allowed to drive these cars other than myself. We don't let people joyride. Did put some red accents in the GT500 and the Shelby letters there on the front end. Grabber blue looks excellent on these cars. Obviously full carbon fiber wheels. We did put a set of wheel locks on there. We've got the factory lug nuts if somebody wanted to remove those and put them back. That red lettering you put on the front looks really nice with those calipers. So we can get a 3/4 shot and get, yeah, there we go. Nice little touch. And there's your 5.2 liter Predator engine. So JLT cold air intake. That blue snake is just a decal that can be removed. I think it looks nice, so we're going to leave it. And there's your JLT oil separator. All right, it's a brief overview of this one. We'll get it on our website as soon as it's been through service. We'll do a quick detail on it. The guy kept immaculate care. I noticed a couple bugs on it just from him driving it up here. He lives about 10 miles away from us, so we'll get those cleaned off and get it tucked away inside. So appreciate everybody watching. Have a great day.